am surprised. I am surprised. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am bored. I am bored. I am excited. I am worry. I am worry. I am sad. I am sad. I am angry. I am angry. I am focused. I am focused. I am annoyed. I'm annoyed. I am skeptical. I am skeptical. I am excited. I am excited. It is too loud for me. It is too loud for me. I am shy. I am shy. I am proud. I am proud of who I am. I am cold. I am cold. I am hot. I am hot. I am awake. I am awake. I am lazy. I am lazy. I am excited. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am confused. I am confused. I am happy. I am happy. I feel sick. I feel sick. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am bored. I am bored.
Learn English with fun. We'll play games and have fun with words. Goodbye.
I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I rinse the dishes. I rinse the dishes. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. I clean the counter. I clean the counter. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I leave the kitchen. I leave the kitchen. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. I'm cooking at home. I'm cooking at home. The food smells good. The food smells good.
Good morning. May I see your passport?
Good morning. Yes, here it is.
Where are you flying today?
I am flying to Bangkok.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Thank you.
Please show your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Put your bag on the belt.
Okay,
Please walk through the scanner.
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, where is gate B12?
It is over there.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 2 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Welcome. May I see your boarding pass? Yes, here it is. Your seat is 14A. Thank you. Have a nice flight. Thank you.
I make coffee at home. I make coffee at home. I make dinner for my family. I make dinner for my family. I do laundry on weekends. I do laundry on weekends. I do exercise in the morning. I do exercise in the morning. I do my homework at home. I do my homework at home. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I eat fruit every day. I eat fruit every day. I drink water in the morning. I drink water in the morning. I drink coffee at work. I drink coffee at work. I drink juice with breakfast. I drink juice with breakfast. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. I sleep late on weekends. I sleep late on weekends. I sleep on the sofa. I sleep on the sofa. I drive to work. I drive to work. I drive home after work. I drive home after work. I drive my car every day. I drive my car every day. I use my phone every day. I use my phone every day. I use a computer at work. I use a computer at work. I use a pen to write. I use a pen to write. I live in the city. I live in the city. I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment. I live with my family. I live with my family. Study English with fun. Study English with fun.
Thank you for watching Study English with Fun channel.
See you next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Examples of simple sentences. Daily activities. I drink water. She eats bread. We
Okay,
study
class, let's
English.
Study English.
We study English.
Great. Now, look at the screen.
Apple.
He watches TV. They play football.
Headache,
Headache.
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 I have a
I
headache.
have a headache.
Fever,
I have a fever.
fever. I have a fever. Cold,
I have a
cold. I have a cold. Cough, cough.
I have a cough.
I have a cough.
I have a
Stomach
stomachache.
Stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Sore throat, sore throat. I have a sore throat. Toothache,
I have a toothache.
toothache. I have a toothache. Back pain,
I have back pain.
back pain. I have back pain.
I feel
Tired,
tired.
tired. I feel tired. Sick,
I feel sick.
sick. I feel sick. Very good.
I feel sick.
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I wash my face in the morning. I wash my face in the morning. I shower before school. I shower before school. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. I cook food with my family. I cook food with my family. I clean my room on Sunday. I clean my room on Sunday. I sleep at 10 p.m. I sleep at 10 p.m. I study English every day. I study English every day. I read a book in the evening. I read a book in the evening. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I listen to my teacher carefully. I listen to my teacher carefully. I speak English with my friends. I speak English with my friends. I learn new words every day. I learn new words every day. I open the door. I open the door. I close the window. I close the window. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I stand in the classroom. I stand in the classroom. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. I play football with my friends. I play football with my friends. I run in the park. I run in the park. I watch TV at night. I watch TV at night. I sing my favorite song. I sing my favorite song. I dance to music. I dance to music. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I help my parents. I help my parents. I work hard every day. I work hard every day. I relax at home in the evening. I relax at home in the evening. My daily routine. I wake up at 6 in the morning. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower and get dressed. At 7, I have breakfast with my family. After breakfast, I go to work or school. In the afternoon, I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I continue working until 5 o'clock in the evening. After work, I go home and relax. Sometimes I watch TV or use my phone. At 7, I have dinner. In the evening, I study English or read a book. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night.
I stretch in the morning. I stretch in the morning. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I hang my clothes. I hang my clothes. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I open the window. I open the window. I open the window. I open the window. Hello there. I close the window. I close the window. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I wake up early. I wake up early. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I dust the table. I dust the table. I move a chair. I move a chair. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I make my bed. I make my bed. I yawn a lot. I yawn a lot. I turn off the light. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I take a deep breath.
Study English with fun.